In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use fulfillment by TikTok Shop service. Just like in Amazon, we do FBA, like fulfillment by Amazon, in which we send our inventory to the Amazon FBA warehouse, and then when we get the order, they will be responsible to store our product, pack our product, and ship our product to our customer and take the money from them and give us the money, right? So the same service like that TikTok has just launched, which is called fulfillment by TikTok, like FBT. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually enroll yourself into that program, how you can actually connect your account with FBT, and then later on I'll show you how to create a shipping plan and how to send your inventory to the TikTok FBT warehouse from your home or maybe from your supply warehouse from China. Right? So you will get a lot of information in this video and all of the other videos in the same series. So all I want from you is to watch the whole video till the end step by step without skipping any part. Because in past I have seen multiple times that after watching the videos, you guys are asking questions regarding videos in the comment box below or in my Facebook group, which I have already answered in the video. So it seems that you are not watching the whole video and you are asking the same question which I have already addressed in the video. Right? So if you watch the whole video with full focus, then there are 90% chances that all of your questions will be answered, because every time I create a video, I try to create that video and explain the stuff in the easiest way possible so anyone watching that video can understand it, right? So again, if you like my video and if my free content gives some value to you and help you in scaling your business, then make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share my videos with your friends so they can also get the benefit, right? But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened my TikTok Shop Seller Center, right? So now if you want to enroll in FBT, so from the left side you can see this menu. So all you have to do is you have to zoom in and click on the products. So from there you can see all of your products which you are having on your account, just like that. You can see that this is my product, and on the right side I can see this product is live. Now on the left side we have to go again and go on the top, click on orders, and then from here we can see some multiple shipping options like manage orders, manage return, shipping setting, and fulfilled by TikTok. So here in this video we will click on this option, fulfilled by TikTok, because we first want to enroll in that program. We want to connect our account with that, and then we will create a shipping plan and send the inventory of the same product to the TikTok Shop warehouse step by step so they can actually fulfill our order when we get the order, right? So basically this whole process is to automate your business so you can spend less time in shipping and manage inventory, and you can put your whole focus on marketing the product, launching new product, and making more money by scaling your business, right? So now you can see that if I click on fulfilled by TikTok, I can see this page, and on this page I can just get the information about this program. Like if you don't know about that, so you can actually read that page and you will be able to know, like if we enroll in that program, then what benefit you will get, right? So if we check out the basic benefit, so we can see here it provides you faster delivery, orders return handling, improved shop health, 7 days a week operation, dedicated customer support, and TikTok Shop branded packaging, right? So if you want to enroll in that, you can just go up, and from there you can see two options: ready to sign up or already using FBT. So now in this case we are basically connecting our account first time with TikTok FBT, so we will click on join FBT now. So as soon as you click on that, you can see that the new window has been opened, and from this window it is asking my permission to connect my TikTok shop with fulfilled by TikTok. So if you scroll down, you can see that if I just click on this checkbox, like you confirm that this is your seller account on TTS Seller Center and you want to link that account and give the permission to link my account with a third party, because TikTok FBT is not a TikTok itself, but it is a third party service who have collaborated with TikTok Shop so they can actually manage their fulfillment services and storing service, right? So by checking that box and click on authorize, I am basically giving the permission to connect my account with that third party app, right? So let's just click on authorize, and then after authorizing I can see this new page open in front of me which says TikTok Warehouse, your reliable fulfillment partner. So if I scroll down on the same page, I can see that right now in UK they are having only one warehouse, which is the warehouse number 1, right? So basically by the time I'm recording this video, so at this time there is only one warehouse available because this service is new. But later on, maybe after 6 months or 1 year, you might be able to see multiple warehouse here. right? And just like the same way, if you're not in UK, if you're in USA and your TikTok shop account is from USA, so you might be able to see the warehouse available in your area which TikTok provide you, right? So from here on this page, we need to basically select the warehouse, but unfortunately we are having only one option here, so we need to select that same option. So let's just check on that and check on that as well. And here you can see that it says platform warehouse and free to register fulfillment by TikTok, right? So after checking those boxes, on the bottom, we need to check these two boxes as well, like check this one, and then from the right side on the bottom, we can see this button proceed. So if I click on proceed, so it will ask some more questions from me. Like it says, welcome, let's get you all set up. And now it is asking some information about the billing. Like use same billing information as TikTok Shop Seller Central. Yes. And then from here, you can see it is also asking for the VAT number, but it's optional. So if we don't put the VAT number, we can still submit it, right? So now from the bottom right corner, just click on submit. So here you can see that this information has been submitted successfully. And now if I click on OK, so here everything is good to go. You can see that this is a new link, new portal, and it says that fulfilled by TikTok. So now if we go back on our Seller Central, so you can see that the Seller Central is a different link and this is a different link. So from this link, if I just click on OK on these two messages, so I can see that this is a complete new interface. And if we scroll down, so we can see some balance here, like whenever it will ship our product or fulfill our product, so all of the balance will be start showing here. And if you scroll down, you can just keep a track of inventory, like how many units of each product you are having at their warehouse, right? So this is all about dashboard. But if you scroll up, so on the top, you can see a menu. There are multiple options like home, goods, inventory, inbound, outbound, and cost. So basically, if we check out goods, so from this page, we will be able to see all of our goods, all of our product, which are basically stored in a TikTok Shop warehouse. Like for example, we are having 3 products and 1000 units of each product are there on TikTok Shop warehouse. So we will be able to see all of that inventory here, like how many units of each product we are having, right? And then from the inbound, we can actually create the inbound order. Basically, when we want to send our parcel, for example, 10 carton of any product to the TikTok Shop warehouse, so from the inbound, we need to click on inbound orders, and then from here we have to create the new inbound order in which we will tell the ship from address, ship to address, our product information, our boxes information, and everything. So after putting out that information, we will get the labels, and then we can actually send the products to our TikTok Shop warehouse, right? So basically, if you want to learn that step by step, like how to ship your product from your warehouse or your supplier warehouse to the TikTok Shop warehouse, so you can watch the next video in the same playlist, which is a detailed video step by step. And in that video, I have only dedicatedly covered like how to ship your product or how to send your inventory to TikTok Shop warehouse, right? But for this video, I have already shown you like how to connect the FBT fulfillment by TikTok with your TikTok Shop Seller Center and how to start using it, how to open it, and how to log into their dashboard, right? So now if you want to learn some other things about TikTok Shop, so you can find the video on this playlist on almost every topic regarding TikTok Shop. So right after watching this video, connect your TikTok Shop Seller Center with FBT and start using that service. And then if you want to learn something, go there, watch my other videos, or if you want to ask anything, you can just comment your question under this video anytime and I will give you the answer of that question, right? So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.